Listing products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify involves a few steps to seamlessly integrate the products you want to sell. Here's a concise guide. Create a CJ Dropshipping account. If you don't have one, sign up for a CJ Dropshipping account. This will be the platform where you source your products. Log into Shopify. Access your Shopify admin dashboard using your credentials. Install CJ Dropshipping app. In the Shopify App Store, find and install the CJ Dropshipping app. Follow the prompts to connect your CJ Dropshipping account with your Shopify store. Browse and select products. In the CJ Dropshipping app, browse their catalog and select the products you want to list on your Shopify store. Customize product listings. Customize product details such as pricing, descriptions, and images within the CJ Dropshipping app to align with your brand and target market. Import products to Shopify. Use the app to import selected products into your Shopify store. Ensure that product information and variants are accurately reflected. Configure settings. Set up shipping options, text settings, and any other relevant configurations within Shopify to complement your product listings. Publish products. Once configured, publish the products to make them visible in your Shopify store. This step completes the integration, and customers can now purchase these products directly through your Shopify store.